Okay, good morning everyone. Again, this is Rudra here. If you don't know about me, first of all, let me drink some. Yeah, nice. Okay. If you don't know about me, I am a 20-year-old kid, or not so a kid. I'm 20-year-old young man who works for his clients and prospects, and he loves marketing. I really love marketing, and I help my clients to scale and 10x your Shopify store or funnel. So if you really want to contact me, go in the link, click on the LinkedIn profile and connect with me. I'll share you a lot of free stuff. With that being said, let's go. So this is the Shopify funnel we are talking about. Actually, I had made a previous video where I kind of going upon the brief of sales page, order form page, and all the stuff. But today we are specifically talking about the sales page. Now I know it's kind of boring topic, like no one wants to talk about it, but I like to do, and so my customers and clients. Okay, so what is the sales page and what are the elements which you really need to have? Okay, before I show this particular example, I'll show you the elements. Sorry. Okay, so what are the elements of a 10x Shopify page or a sales page? What are they? First of all is a copy. Whenever we talk about copywriting, there are 5 or 4 main components. The lead, which like these are starting 300 to 800 words, which cover the whole copy, and then we have the headline, subheadline. Subheadline is optional, but if you are going with a VSL, then you need to have a subheadline, but it's fine. Then we have a benefit driven copy, and then we have a call to action. These are like things you really need to have whenever, even if you're testing a funnel or you're just launching a sales page. That's it. These are 5 key elements of a 10x sales page. Now, coming to the other elements of any particular sales page, these include VSL, video sales letter. You can also go with the text sales letter, but that's, I would say, too much long. People don't read that much these days, mainly due to their attention span being fucked up. Anyways, then we have a VSL. Afterwards, a testimonial. Testimonials are really great, and I would say even if you have like 5, 4, or even one testimonial, just please put it, because it creates a lot amount of social proof and bandwagon effect. If you don't know about the bandwagon effect, it's quoted in the book called Persuasion and Influence by Robert Cialdini. He says that bandwagon effect is this particular psychological phenomena where humans tend to inspire or go towards whenever there is more people doing the same thing, right? For example, if a crowd is standing in this particular area, you will see, oh, there's a lot of crowd, what's going on, let me just check it. That's the primal part of a curiosity based human gene. So that is what we call bandwagon effect. You can obviously get more better definition on Google or ChatGPT, but this is my version. Okay, testimonials, and then we have mockups. This is really crucial. I have seen so much bad mockups these days in e-commerce supplement space. So if you can spend a bit amount of it, go with it. Even if you can't, delegate to us. We really make good mockups. And lastly, the offer. I guess offer is something 99% of supplement or e-com people are missing right now. Offer is something they just don't even think about it. Offer, they just think that okay, we have a product and we want to sell it on Shopify. That's not how marketing works, at least in 2026. It doesn't work. Now coming to this particular, what I can say, portfolio based, what you can call it, portfolio based sample we did for Garden of Life 50 plus men younger blend. This was like a multivitamin for 50 plus men, and it helps to rejuvenate themselves and all that good stuff, right? So if you look at it, the 5 things which I mentioned from the copy are very visible, very visible here. Sorry. The first thing is the lead. Although not of lead is mentioned here, but because we have a VSL, so the lead is actually mentioned or integrated with the particular VSL. And then we have the headline. You can see this is the headline. And subheadline, you're not giving a subheadline because it's a VSL based. And then we have benefits. If you look at it, these are the benefits, and ideal for people. This is to qualify them. Like if you are not in this particular demographic, then you can leave. And then we have a call to action. We have 2 call to action, this one here and this one here. Okay, now we have other elements like VSL, obviously, testimonials. We have this testimonials 4.7 out of 5. And then we have mockups. Mockups is everywhere. This section, this particular section. Actually, this is like the half one. I will also share the full variant. I have actually posted upon it on LinkedIn. So anyway, mockups, and then we have the offer. These are offer and call to action. So that's how a basic Shopify sales funnel look like. Right, to say sales funnel look like, which can convert or make 10x your business. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.